You're tired of traditional banks, right? The hidden fees, the long lines, the outdated technology? You're not alone. Millions of people are switching to online banking options, and Chime is one of the most popular choices. But here's the burning question: how much do you actually need to start a Chime account? Let's clear something up right away. The short answer is absolutely nothing. $0, nada, zilch. You don't need a minimum deposit to open a Chime account. That's right, you can start your financial journey with Chime without shelling out a single penny. Now, that doesn't mean you can't deposit money into your account. In fact, you will probably want to do that to start using your Chime card and enjoying all the perks. But the initial setup? Completely free. So, why is Chime so generous? Well, they've built a business model around fee-free banking and making financial services accessible to everyone. This means no monthly fees, no overdraft fees, and no minimum balance requirements. But wait, there's more. While you don't need any money to open an account, there are a couple of things you will need to get started. First, you'll need to be a U.S. resident and at least 18 years old. You'll also need a valid Social Security number and a government-issued ID. Once you've got those basics covered, you can easily sign up for a Chime account online or through their mobile app. The process is pretty straightforward. You'll provide your personal information, verify your identity, and you're good to go. Now, let's talk about funding your account. While not required, depositing money will obviously allow you to start using your Chime card. The most common way to fund your account is through direct deposit. This means setting up your employer to send your paycheck directly to your Chime account. It's fast, secure, and often comes with additional perks like early direct deposit access. If direct deposit isn't an option for you, you can also transfer money from another bank account. Chime allows you to link your existing bank account and transfer funds whenever you need. Keep in mind that transfer times can vary depending on the bank. Another option is to use a cash loading service. Some retailers offer cash loading services where you can add money to your Chime account using cash. This can be convenient if you don't have a bank account or prefer to deal with cash. So, to recap, you don't need any money to open a Chime account, but you will need to be a U.S. resident, at least 18 years old, and have a Social Security number and government-issued ID. Once you've signed up, you can fund your account through direct deposit, bank transfers, or cash loading services. Chime offers a range of features to help you manage your money, including automatic savings, fee-free overdraft protection, and early direct deposit access. It's a great option for people who want to simplify their finances and save money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.